The Duve Institute was founded in 1974 by the Nobel Prize winner Christian Duve, who obtained the Nobel Prize for discovering the lysosomes. It is located in Brussels at the heart of Europe. The Duve Institute is a multidisciplinary biomedical research institute hosting several laboratories of the Faculty of Medicine of the UC Louvain. Research at the Duve Institute is based on three principles: prioritize basic research and the freedom of the investigators, special attention to the medical benefits potentially resulting from basic discoveries. The Duve Institute consists of 25 independent labs working in immunology, metabolism, cancer-related studies, and infection biology. In Duve Health and Microbes, 3 labs with more than 40 scientists, including PhD students and postdocs, join forces to investigate microbes and how they impact human health. Duve Health and Microbes provides a competitive and international environment with state-of-the-art technologies. Scientists from South Korea, the US, Japan, Serbia, Argentina, France, Greece, and from many other countries.
Our lab is interested in the interplay between viruses and the host innate immune response. And quite interestingly, we recently observed that some viruses as well as some bacteria evolved in a convergent fashion to hijack cellular enzymes. And interestingly, these different pathogens use the cellular enzyme for different purposes that helps them either to increase their replication rate or to evade the innate immune responses.
So in my lab, we are fascinated about the diversity and the beauty of lifestyles in the bacterial world. And we try to understand how bacterial cells organize their content in space and time, and also how they build molecular machines to achieve complex functions. And to do this, we use a very special model, which is a predatory bacterium. And that predatory bacterium is called Delovibrio bacteriovirus, and it is able to invade and proliferate inside all the bacteria. And so we use bacterial genetics and fluorescence microscopy to investigate the cell cycle and try to uncover some of the molecular and cellular mechanisms behind the cell cycle.
In my lab, we want to understand how bacteria do to deal with stress, to detect stress, to respond to stress. Our favorite model organism is E. coli, and we mostly work on the cell envelope of that bacterium. So we want to understand how E. coli does to protect the outer membrane, to detect stress in the periplasm, and to respond to the stress. And over the years, we have identified a number of molecular systems that are involved in the defense mechanism against oxidative stress, against stress in the outer membrane, and so on. And what we want to do is to identify those novel mechanisms and then to characterize them, to dissect them at the molecular level, to completely understand how they function.
We need outstanding PIs and postdocs to further establish the Duve host and microbes as a supportive and stimulating environment for top-level research on bacteria and viruses in the context of human health.